yuko dukomeza gufata abandi reka hagire abasubiza icyo kibazo. Niba ni Minister wa Commerce, RDB, or whoever, bagisubize. Nta nubwo kijyanye n'ibyo twaganiraga mu kanya, ariko reka kibanza gisubizwe kive mu nzira hanyuma dukomeze ibyayo.
RDB.
Murakoze nyakubahwa perezida kumijambo. The challenge that was raised is the very reason why we created the one-stop center. So to remove the friction points and situations where investors have to go in multiple different places to...
Yeah, but here the question is, the issue is the one-stop center is not working. That's what should be answered. I thought, yeah, let's go to the point why that situation, if true, is happening. Yeah, straight to the point. Between you and the Minicom, we are here. So you should both answer that, and quickly we get something else.
Thank you, Your Excellency. I would just invite her to come to the one-stop center because all the services that she's referred to are provided in the one-stop center. So that she doesn't have to go to the different places, we would invite her to come to the one-stop center, Your Excellency.
That may require that you educate everybody as to what to do, because maybe she doesn't know what to do. Why? Some people should be having that responsibility to explain. You can't keep inviting or explaining to one person and then another person and then separately. So why doesn't she know where to go? We create a one-stop center, it doesn't work, nobody knows where it is, so who addresses that problem?
We must...
Okay, Prime Minister, this matter should be resolved quickly and we are done with. Throughout the system, we can't keep handling one particular case. Yeah. Prime Minister, ikibazo gihari udasobanura neza. Tumaze imyaka ingahe se hano dukora ibingibi? Muravuga ngo mwashyizeho ibi, mushyizeho ejo bundi. Mbere yaho imyaka 10, 15, 20 hari iki? Ntabwo ibingibi aribwo bikwiye kuba bitangira. Birahari nyine, iyo one stop center irahari. Yagiyeho kugira ngo bigende gute? Yagomba gukora. Ubu nibwo mutangiye bundi bushya. Ntabwo ari byo, reka tubigihorera hano. Ariko ababyumva babyumvise, iki kibazo kigomba gukemuka vuba na bwangu nacyo kikarangira. Ntabwo twahora dusubira mu bintu nyuma y'imyaka 10 ugatangira bundi bushya. Ibyari biriho mbere hose byakoraga.